you. Wow, thank you so much. Thank you so much, Baba. US Army veteran. Wow.
May nibalik din naman ito yung naglag si Dodo. Parang ka na inunuan.
Uwain man ang
Yadi.
diri ang pagsaksak ko lang mo.
Yadi, maano na lang ako dito kara sa may wash. Hi. I was dying inside to hold you.
May pag kita di sa bakal ana. Ano sa makalipid di ura man kita gamit.
Hi, thank you for watching. Hi, Matthew. Thank you so much. I'm staying inside to hold.
Ano yung nagsunong para tanggalon na?
Ya gusto ko sabihin na yun yung lidisin ko ano mo. Na. Ang pagdipang bibiho na bakal. Wala man na ikinutangan. Mayroon ng didi. Paano man ini, wala man yung hintuan.
Ako na, kukumpleto man yun. Pagkulang ang sa'yo, wala man pala yan.
May ini mo na baga sa tumamay si... Ay, makalit. May ini mo na baga sa to si Kuya Iking Didiho na tubo, mamay. May ini mo na baga sa to si Kuya Iking Didiho ang kulay blue. Hay, nansaro sa... Ay, mana ini?
May bibisin pagkuan.
Ang aram po sa di, may ini mo na si Kuya Iking nakabutang na Didiho kulay bagas nakasulbong dun.
Ano niya ito making? Maulo na may iman ka kasi ulit.
Ito si Kuya
Wala man
Iking.
pang sulat. Kain.
Dan may ini mo na sa di, may ini mo na sa di si Kuya.
Paano man yung imo nga?
Niya? Ay, ito na bakal. Ay, nabakal.
Di ko.
Ay, yan.
O nga sabi ko ko Kuya. Ay,
Ay, ito na. Ay, ito ba live? Sulatong mo. Mga kapagalan.
bulod namin. Para sa ano namin yan.
Pero magayon nung gudya kaya na magpugudya di sa ano Facebook. Yeah, may controller na siya.
Anong controller?
Bubukasan mo lang siya.
Kung may pangalan sa gnaon po.
Oh, saan? Come on.
Eh?
Hi, Sir Fred! Uy, si Daddy Mike! Hi! Hi, Daddy Mike! Hello, Cheryl! Hi, my love! Yes, Fred, it's been a while. Good to see you from Sir Jess. Hey, Rocker, long time no see. Bro is rocking cracks in the house. Sheryl Ohm. I hope you fulfill all your dreams in life. Thank you, Sir Tyron Price. Thank you so much. Yes, Fred. It's been a while too. Good to see you. Send super chat for Pete Arthur. Yes. Hi, Ashley. Daddy Mike. Daddy Mike. Si Daddy Mike ko.
Daddy Mike.
Si Daddy Mike. Si Daddy Mike. Thank you, Sir Fred. Oh, Mike is here also. It's been forever. Good to see you, yes. But he's forever here. Mike proposed to me. Really?
Ay, di, makaupod pa ine? Kaupod pa ine?
Kaso, di ko naman.
Din, daround sa?
Ano na?
As Galianosa?
Katuka.
Ay,
Bakit
wala
ka
ka
sa Santa Cruzan?
Di man?
Mm.
Dili lang siya. Wala ko
Huwag ka
na
na
lang.
mahuray.
Ay, yung una ka no. Yung ito sa pinaka.
Kaya
Uy mo na. Uy mo na. Ano na dito?
Ay, ito na. Kuhan na no.
Bago na, kumainin mo ka na kuya sa no.
Sorry.
Sada, ito na may kulay blue na dila. Oh.
paano sa nansaksakan?
Sada ho, yari na lang at ang gamitin sa eksano. Yun na sa washing.
Paano yun?
Kasya?
Bitin.
Bitin? Alam ko ka na dito ho. Ipalatay ta na lang.
Hi. I'm still waiting for you, huh?
Kumahanap ko sa ikon.
Aring chat-chat, aring chat-chat.
Ay, natag kong buso ito mo. May nito ko ano. Hindi na. Bakal na.
Aring chat-chat, aring chat-chat.
Mabuti ka dito. Halit mo.
Daliin lang yung ganda.
See, you have time for 6 days away. Sir Luis Pinto. What? I'm still waiting for you at the church door, huh? Where door? Where church? But only on Fridays. So you have him.
Abot na?
Abot na yun. Naghanap lang si Manay King Sing.
As wala ko. As grabe na ano mga.
Yan.
Oh, para makamak ka na, ibabalik na lang ito.
Mas grabe may mag-uugam.
Hindi, kayo magaling lang dyan.
Mama.
Ouch.
Daddy Mike, Daddy Mike, Daddy Mike.
Si Daddy Mike, Daddy Mike. What's up and what's happening? Hi, the Don the Eating. Hi. Nono and Triple no the Don. Child, why you so cute? I'm cute.
Ashley, naula lang ini. Testingan mo ng gadakuha.
I was dying. Hi, Craig Phillips. Hello again from the United Kingdom. Hi.
Alam niyo, masusunog doon na.
Bagyo.
Masusunog doon. Ito ko tama. Hindi.
Nice hat, bro. Jess.
Kaya haliw na lang yun yung...
Hindi ko kasi ah.
Ano yung bakal?
Oo.
From
Sa day.
Craig. Sir Craig.
Day.
We are beautiful.
Hindi pa naman masusunog yun.
Beautiful. Nice hat, bro. Hello. Liko, like 7, you dikit him here. Mega love, shout out, post and everyone. Hi Liko, thank you. Liko music. Wave, thank you. Is it a nice hat? Thanks.
Pumali ka doon dito.
Are you lesbian couple? My
Guys, ano yung truck na ito? Ano ito? Ano ito? Ano ba yan?
Paano siya? Edad ay bata. Ikaw, paano nakapano ba ito?
Ano ko din eh? Inatag ko din. Inatag ko din.
Ha?
Inatag ko din.
when I come to the Philippines, I want to find a cutie pie like you. Okay, good luck.
Nakalay ba gano'n?
Nice for when I'm bursting and there is no toilet. If you go to Philippines, you can find one for $20. Yuck, so cheap. You're so cheap.
Nakakuha ka?
Haliw na lang yan.
Pagtagali ko na, pagkanahan.
Your hat will come in handy then just wow. Tadanded.
Ay, ba't nakasaksak ka lang na?
Rocker is the cowboy has pit hat to represent his culture. Oh wow, that's great. Sorry, Dodon, I didn't mean to give you the impression then I cared what you think.
Binalig mo na.
Naipir.
Right there, right
Eh, dala lang ang daong sa may basod.
there, right there,
Mga natin siya, nagana na.
Okay, salamat.
right there.
Bigyan mo naman bakal na sa nag-ano ha. Mag-utong na, baby. Ay, di ka bigyan sa nag-ano na uring.
Thank you, my love. You married? Getting married soon.
Gusto ka nagbakal?
Opo.
I'm getting married soon. I'm engaged.
Sa 500.
Ito pa 500 din na.
Sa 500 na siya mag-session.
Oh my, thank you. Rocker, him gone, huh?
Wow.
You are taken already. Yes, I'm taken. I'm already taken. Thank you so much. Hello to you and your family from Australia. Hi, Sir David Oliva from Australia. Who's the lucky guy, Sheryl? The lucky guy? Ah, I'm getting married from Juan.
Wala ka. Nabuka.
Surprise. From America. Oh my God, his name is Michael.
Aring chan chang. Aring tang tang.
Nakabulog talaga.
Madanam ako.
Diri kay Puan pa ano.
Sabi siya na nila.
Sabi sa may lolo.
Ibang maguyag sila ni Baby ano.
Saka. Ito.
Ay, nang service sa. Parang sa atin. Barasan sa Philippines namin.
Ayaw. Ayaw to.
Pwede ako.
Ogo. Samsung.
Ah. Oh.
He must not have a cold
Nay,
heart.
kita mo kay si Romy.
Hey, my name is Michael and I'm from America also. Really? Your name is Michael? You can call me Michael. Rocker, he was jealous, probably couldn't afford a real hat like yours.
Wala talaga sa visa, papa? Wala. Kaya mga sarili.
Ulat ng
Oh my god. Surprise.
Mali ka ng baby. Ay,
Michael is only one, my god.
wala man liwat soon.
I'm excited.
Mila? May pako ka ba?
Very soon I single and I very ugly. No one can ugly, but the ugly people is the bad attitude.
Ito kilaw ko sa ito.
Meliton?
Oo. Ano ko muna buhay? Baka dinuyok na. Uy! Ano po?
Para sa mga pala. Ang sulat ko yun, kay Kami, may sinulaban, baraso ng orange sa sakto balik.
Gosh.
Kahit pa ako na lawa.
Yeah, invite na kay Potong ako nito.
Ah, sige.
Ano? Kasi yung gaminaw dito pa ako sa balay.
Hi, mommy.
Tako.
Kakabisi ko.
Yes, my real name is actually Michael. Really? Your name is Michael? Wow. Cheryl, we had a blast with Kiki today. It was great. Really? Hello, brother-in-law. Yes, my brother fixed my kwan. The kwan. How I explain? Something like I cook for kwan. Because I need to cook. Wow. Niya na may?
Yeah.
Wow, congratulations.
Ano yun sa ato, Rig?
Bakal ko na nga. Ito daw.
Di nam pala kaya. Di nam dinyo, biyan.
Pura!
Ay, doon sa'yo.
Yay.
Ano ka mo ate damit?
Di ko pura mamay. Ano po,
Delicate man. Can I go to Philippines to find a wife? It's up to you. Where are you from, Belly?
Ulat na pa. Tita, himuna rin nga din ako ron. Babaya.
Pura mamay.
Yes, we did have fun.
Sayang sa
Is the making your dog bigger so you can put scooter in your room? Is he make? Yeah. he can fix.
maribong ka ka.
Yes, hon.
Pagdayo ni tita mangin.
Kagayon. He can kuhan. The door big. To like the wide door. Ah, I send you message Cheryl. Okay. Yes po. Sure.
Guys, ano?
Okay na.
Tapos,
Aray. Aday ko man.
Hala ka, kami sunog!
Yes, there are scammers. Be careful. Oh my God. Be careful, people. What? Oh my God. Who's the scammers? Who was the scammers? She's the scammers. You will laugh, yeah. I don't want this video for the people. And she looks like she's giving
Ano yung matilok?
advice to those be careful to the scammers, but she's a scammers. Why is she giving a kwan? My gulay. I'm look
Uy,
beautiful.
bata ko! Bata!
Oh my God.
Bata, mag-cute ako! Bata!
Aray.
Bata! Bata! Bata!
Ouch! She
Bye,
said,
bye, bye. Bata!
aray!
Bata!
Ah,
Bata!
Aray ko.
Bata!
Aray.
Bata! Bata! Bata!
Stop it.
Tita, mayo ako sisimak na.
Ay, bawal yun na kay Daddy Mike to galing.
Man!
She said we're all scammers, dunkers, and drug addicts. Oh my God. But she looks nice. So she looks, kwan. Tagadang. Making door wider so Mike can fit though. Your sister. Oh my God. She's losing her mind.
Ay, tapos na!
Ay, sana kahuya.
Tita, tapos na!
Wala ka man laan. O, batog pa lang.
Excited.
Hindi yun. Ito, sumili.
Tayo manmangga. Pili tade. Tari lang. Pili tade. Pili tade lang. Pili tade. Pili tade. Pili tade. Pili tade. Thank you, tade.
Alabong ko na lang bian. Ang sayo.
Sige lang, mamay.
I watched the kwan.
Duwan irog niya sa ate ha na ano sa
Diri, si Mamay, nagpa-order
I
sa
watched
ako
the video
duwa.
for the,
Sa iya, ang sarok ko no, didi, tapos ang sarok din, karati ko sila, ito, sabi mo, tapos, yung udang ni Papa sa nakaya, yung blower dun, ni Mamay, kay, yung ground travel sa ako, nabugto na naman ang wire. Tapos, niya,
Yan si mamay. Yan na si Chuti Oy.
Baka na naman.
Si mamay.
Dito na lang ako mapakabi.
oh my God.
amak ko yun.
Never said money to you, Sir Fred. She said, oh my God.
Mapagalyan no sa kanya, tita. Pagalyan no sa kanya.
Oo, kasi naman ako na.
Sayang ha, wala din mama ni Jay. Wala din mama ni Jay. Jackie.
Ayaw ito sa broom.
Nasa abroad siya.
Ginagawa isa.
Hindi ka na nakangirap kami kaya nagkarato kami sa mga kamasi ko sa kaya sa kay Mano pati alam mo ngayon. Ang sarap niya nakaklase. Nagda kami sa batch na mama niya. Pagkadto ko dito kay nagburong-burong kami narati ka siya. Yung magkabatch niya.
Sobo na yun.
Kalwa yun. Na mayada mo yun na nandiyan sa langit.
Mapud ako sa truth. Mapud ako sa truth.
Pag mapaunog ka, paparungan yun ha.
Tapos tanggalin mo yun.
Mapud ako sa truth.
Oh my God. Listen.
Okay na? Okay na, madam? Madam?
Okay na.
Tenten?
Oo. Damo nga ng pandok.
Si Ashley manarayuon niya to.
Oh my God. Be careful daw to you. My God.
Kumusugo na yun, kontrolan mo na lang ito. Makabugong na ito tao. Magalinawakan mo niya ho. Hindi nihali ho. Nihali ho. Neng,
Nana.
nihali.
Karana, sarasanin.
Magalinawakan ho ha.
Bawal yun sa amo, aram mo si Papa sa itong bawaon. Iba-iba ang binawad sa ako.
Oh my God. She said,
Chinilas.
and some of your supporters are scammers and drunkard. and drug. Oh my God.
Galay, yung chikila si Papa dati.
How I trust her. How I trust her word if she is a real scammer. Pretending that she's Guam. Can you where you are with no money, Belly? How are you supposed to go anywhere without money? What a silly question. No Filipino will support you. I can go with Belly. You cannot go here without money because here Philippines is not a rich country. Maybe if you find a rich Filipina, try to find. Maybe if he support you. Hello Philippines from Dominic Airport. Oh my God.
Kuya, may saludan ka na sa inyo, Mati.
I have no money. I just have love. Billy Love, don't pee the bell. James Jones. Good luck with that, sir. Billy, no money, then just have to
Maski sa
use
plastic na lang,
hands.
ada mo na.
Ha?
Kamati, sabi ko, ilipat naman na kayo.
Hindi yun.
Kagamito.
Ama.
tita.
May nag-abot ng nag-gather si Jerome here.
Gusto kayo, ya?
New here. Hi, Primo. Thank you for joining. Well, you have a
That's
local
good.
girl belly prepared a sugar mama. How she said to you, Sir Fred, this crazy woman and the Juan, the real scammer is what you call this? Rocker, the way he talking, he can find it either. Well, you better find a local girl, belly, prefer with sugar mama.
Siya makusog talaga sa ng kalayo. Ano ba yan? Ano? God lock ko kaya. Hindi tungkol ano mo. Sinusunod ka. Ay ko. Hindi lang siya kasi hindi ko.
Hindi masunog.
Kaya mahulog man. Hindi ka ba ito tagutan?
At least he can get a handle with a lady boy mic. Yes. Belly, you can't be serious. James. Belly, no, you're just being stupid. You're close to living here. I don't know, Mike. Lady boy probably don't want a broke ass dude trying to come live off of them either. Something like that.
Sudah ni Papa. Ano siya? Waran na agad dito isda na.
Kapapay?
Opo. Hindi na gawin. Sige, pursue mo, be. Kaya mo yan. Hindi mo lang punungan si dada mo. Tugutan ka to. Apa ya?
Hi, nephew. How's your motorcycle? Sabi ni Mike, kumusta ko na ang motor mo? Sabi ni Mike.
Okay na?
I said, okay. Okay, fine. He said, okay, thank you. He said, thank you so much. So Billy is going to take Belly out. You are so cute. Thank you so much. If the man was handsome, would a Filipina taking care of me? Oh, really? My God.
Sabi ka. Sabi.
Bye, Belly. Thumbs up.
Taklog. Parang nadako na kalino.
Ano pala to?
May tukpukon pa sayang siya na palawan.
Ma'am, baka lang pwede ba?
Gugog pa mo. Dito sa ina.
Baka lang pwede ba?
Si Ashley. Bao na lang man yan eh. Yun, ano?
O, lalang. Parang, ayan, pa.
May asin na yun.
Dara mo hindi ta? Okay, talunay.
Oo.
Matin ka mangyapon.
Inano talaga sa ako na para makatinda ko, ha? Dinagyan talaga ako ng
Ano talaga?
pathetic beta male. I'm handsome and my wife taking care of me, yes. Yeah. My Mike is also handsome. That's why I'm taking care of him.
Ay, hindi.
Fred, she tolerates you and takes care of you with your money.
Ha?
Sir Fred, how she told you that if you have lots of money?
Ano?
My God. I mean, talking about the other one. I'm ugly and my wife takes care of the dishes and the kids. That is called love.
Kita siya.
I think no one can ugly.
Siya mo ya? Hindi. Kaya nung ganisa? Abe, ito bunso. Siya.
Ang puti.
Boto-boto. Ah, no. Sa pani mo lutuon ta. Pani yun. Yan nakadaw sa ano, lawyer.
Ano, dada, ay ano, salinin mo tabi sa nung nilabos na.
Dito ko pa yung data.
Ha?
Kuya pa yun.
Boy pa?
Bakit ta? Di yung malakay sa namabot ng
Ano yung nakatipid din sa ano?
Pangi.
Nagtaot naman na da.
Okay, ano?
Magkalayo nyo.
Oo.
Wait na.
Nagkada.
Para yun ang tinagutang.
Sigurado ka mo? Ayan. Tama na.
Salamat!
Pagbutak, tama na.
Oh, kilinda. Ano pa ka na sa'yo mo?
Baliktad pa. Dapat ilin.
Oh, kariling!
Binaliktad talaga ni Kuya Iking kay pag nakatirog sa dao ano.
Hindi ganda.
She's super Cheryl, that's why.
Did you know?
And crazy. Hi, James Johns. Thank you, Sir James Johns. Where are you from, Sir James? How are you and your family and life? I feel happier about my life. That's good, Nola. Nola Jean. Need to be happy. Life is short. That's why. Need to happy life. Enjoy life.
Sabay mo lang sa atin siya pag nag-cover.
Houston, Texas. Wow, from Houston.
Ashley, di ka din sa kanan.
Ganun siya baladalan.
Kumangan, dali ko building mo.
Kasi pag magkugay ka, kaputan mo yung tuwa. Kay kung mag...
Matumba.
Oo, ito na sa
Kala,
bata.
dado ano.
Tanggal na ang bakal.
Katanggal na.
Ang daw na
So, diri na pwede butang, pwede diri na haliw na lang ang bakal, ada?
Pure.
Pero, virgin.
Naglumano na rin.
BBS, BBS, magrani ha. Kung mag-ano nila.
You need a fire truck, James? Poor but happy, yeah. Huh? Poor but happy, yeah.
What do you call this?
Happy life.
Da, ikaw na po ba?
Alex Mac.
Ikaw kung ano mo, pagsabihin sa ako, kay paghanap mo, magsasabi ko sa inyo.
I was dying inside. Me also for Batapi. Yes, that's good, but not scammers. My God. And I don't believe someone telling you I'm gonna okay. I'm reading your one.
Tapos na.
Cheryl, the
umiyak.
temporary wire sees viral, yes. And the door, yes. We, the one, not the revenge, but the reply. Because I defend myself from this fake people spreading lies. And I don't like that, spreading the lies. She said, Sir Fred supporter are, what you call this? Scammers and something. What? Are you crazy? Are you agree? I don't agree with that. With
Sabi mo sa akin binili, hindi daw ako. Makato ako.
she said.
Alam ka, May.
Sabi sa akin.
And the drunk bar, what do you call that? My God.
Para sa impero makasulod.
Makukuno, 35 kuno na.
Yes, we don't tolerate this kind of people. I think I need to make a new account and be here a visit. Yes, maybe something like that, Sir Jess. I was dying inside.
Isdaan ko na ito, ha?
Yeah. Huh?
Yung isdaan ko.
Oh. I think I need to make that's it. Much better, Sir J. We need. I don't like his her statement about Sir Fred and Sir Fred's something like friends and supporters, something like that, because she's not talking about Sir Fred, she's talking about herself, what she is. My goodness. What she's saying to Sir Fred, something like bouncing to herself. My God, like a bouncing. That's not like rocker. That would be awesome. Lead her on and make her think you want to be with her. Tell her you will marry her and give her a rich life. Maybe something like that. And then
Sige mong bakal suhon.
I was dying
Pinakukuha
inside.
ni sa umasanan ano.
For Google's sakes. Hello, for Google's sake. Thank you for joining here. Hello po. Then dump here. It will to not hook when typing the message out.
Hala ka!
Wala ka! Binuka mo!
Thank you so much. 11 people in the house. 9 likes. Tell her you will clear the cobwebs. No. Hard not to poke. Okay. Greetings from Turkey. Hi from Turkey. Welcome to my channel from Philippines. Hello from Germany. Hi, Harbonet from Germany. Thank you so much. I was dying inside to hold you. Harbonet.
Da, ang gagawin si Papay.
Naakot ako nanon sabi. Nano. Maluto kita sa tunaan. Ang ganisa.
Dito naman ako sa dako.
Pwede mo.
Para pwede ko na lang yan. Ano ako lang yan eh. Paksyon.
Pwede mo na,
Suka
paksyon.
lang.
Ako lang.
Sad.
I'm not Bisaya. I'm not from Cebu. I'm Bicolana. Provinciana. Filipina, Provincianang Pilipina from Bicol. Pop means vomit, Sheryl. Okay. Can you show us around your house? No, my house is very beautiful. That's why this is the very one. Sorry, my house is not good. Alex Mac. Super chat and membership are available. Comments are free. Please be respectful to the host. Thank you, my love. If you're enjoying the stream so far, don't forget to smash that like button. It really helps the channel out. Thank you, Jazz. Bicol got it. Yeah, I'm from Bicol. For Google's sakes. Sex. Aray ko. For Google's sex.
Punta si Tito Ben kung may yun.
Nagpakala ka ba di ubos na?
Banana. Wala man niya kita banana.
Bicol got it. Uy!
Grabe ako, ano ang banana?
Wala!
Nahagol ka? Hain man yan. Saan? Ikaw daw, kung may yun.
Banana.
Oh, banana baga.
Itiyain ang putong sabi ko tanggalo na natin.
Natanggal lang ano ko
Sa
sa
rep.
cute family. Thank you.
Look mo daw kung meron.
Sure, you are the first Bicol lady I see on the stream. Really? Oh, thank you. My God, I am a Bicolana.
Wala man.
Only great grandpa Mike.
Tubig yan.
That said, Daddy Mike. Okay, where are you from for Google sex? Oh my God, I don't know how to say it.
Wala nga ni.
Sex. You must not watch many Filipina sex.
Wala.
Behave. I don't know how to say that. That's why maybe I need to kuan lang.
Kamatis.
What you call it? For Google. For Google. May gulay. Behaving is no fun. I was dying inside to hold ya. I was in Manila in 2016. I never met anyone from Bicol. Ah, really? Wow. Because a lots of foreigner Bisaya meet, a lots of foreigner meet Bisaya, Filipina. So that's why I heard a lots of foreigner meet Bisaya, something like that. I'm from Florida, USA. My God, a lots of Kwan from US, American here. Thank you to those American people. Shout out to you. Thank you so much. American people is nice. Like Mike. Do you have family, sir, for goggles? For Google? Family, wife, something like that. I'm not kind. I'm a scam.
Oy, sa aga mag-apat ka, di ka lang umagat.
Oh my God.
Makaon na ako.
I'm not kind.
Alas 5, makakapit na
That's why the real people, that's why, yes, we know about the knows how the fake and how the lies. Me too, I'm not kind. I'm a liar.
Nagigisa ako baga.
You're also a drunkard and drug Oh my God. I was dying. Maybe someone pays here to do that. Maybe you also have haters, Sir Fred, and someone's pay here to do that, something like that.
Tito, damo ko man tita.
Because
Asinan tabi.
because how she Kwan? Because she's spreading lies. You're also Mike. We're all drunkard and drug addict. She said. Yeah, she said. Her supporters, something like that. Her supporters is drunkard and something. So that's why I don't accept what she said.
Nano? Gila, tamang ito si Papay. Gila.
Napinitan?
Kayo na kayo nalaan.
I was dying inside. Thank you, my love. Sheryl Kiki Mix videos, Kiki Mix videos about the fake peoples, liars, scammers, drunks, drug addicts, and idiots. For the fake supporters, something like that. For the videos. How many people live there? Live here in the home? How many people live here in our home? Alex Mac. How old are you, Alex Mac? You will see my. Oh my God, my nephew changed my father's diaper, so that's why 26 people live there. A lots of people. Gabi na ba? Oh my God. What time? Ah, 6. Lower is back. Since 6. Miss. I was dying inside too hard.
Diri pa ma, pero may sulok na.
I was dying inside. Inside.
Matimpla na.
Na kaya? Paisa mo na nakaligaw. Ikaw na lang. Ako na lang sila. Tuktukan na. Sulfurs. Kaya sulfurs. Sabihin ako na na ikaw sa ipapay mo.
Wait lang.
Salamat ka ba, Asa?
How come you're not walking around in your arm? Huh? Huh? Oh my god.
Pwede na ho.
Tok ako. Kaya hindi ko na ibutang ko dito.
Oh my god.
Ako. Bago. Tignan ka na kaya. Sige, magbutang ko dito. Para.
Hey, well, hi. Hi, Popu07. Raka, please make second account and begin. It will be awesome feedback for trusting all of us. Yeah. Oh my god. What is that, Alec? Who does that, Alex? Yeah, oh my god.
Yakapin mo ako.
Jels Tracker, this is my first time in show channel. Thank you, sir, for Gogo. If you first time, thank you. I really appreciate sir for Gogo. Thank you so much. It would be a fourth account, Mike, but seriously thinking about it. Giga Twing, hi, I can hear your labor breathing through the chat, Mike. Do you have awake apnea? Apnea?
Halon.
Diba?
Maano. Nangangal
Yung walang data ay kung ano mo wala ka.
Yari na baga ho, mulat ka.
Ha?
Ha?
Wala pa sa dito mo.
Kunin mo ang tubig mo sa labas.
Ay, nag-init pala ako. Nag-init mo ulit.
Ora, para ko napansin dito.
Kuha ang tubig sa
Dito?
labas.
Oren.
Kuha, ano. Bala ka man.
Dapat ko na sa di ano eh. Bunot.
Ano nyo? Sabi. Ay,
Ha?
masipay.
Bunot ko lang sa mga gamit doon.
Yari baga ho.
Sure, like and subscribe po. Thank you so much for the like and subscribe for Gogo. Thank you. Rocker, it support you and send you your money if you do it. I will, I will support you and send you your money. Wow, thank you. Thank you, my love. Yes.
Ano ba yan, John?
Makuha ng tubig sa luwas. Ikaw na.
Yes, Mike. Depend our one. Depend for this one, for this people.
May patita?
In baba siya, in baba si Sir Fred. May basher si Sir Fred. Ang basher niya, naging kadalo niya.
Ay, ito na
Naging
nakahagi.
ko. Tapos niyan, nagyulo ito sa video, ang mga supporter ko noon ni Sir Fred, mga drug addict, scammers, gano'n. Nagagalit na si Mike, tapos kadaramay na kami, sabi na si JS, sabi ni JS, may mo ko na siya send another account para nga ni ko na mag-ano ito si Kuan. Kasi,
Para makasunod dito sa live.
sa live, sabi, mga comments niya, sabi, sabi mo naman, sige ma'am, naghimo ka. Tagang ko ikaw sa ano mo, padarahan yung kwarta. Ano, bisa may pwede ko. Nakakad kasi, parang, magastos talaga san ko. Go, Mike!
Akala ko pa naman against ka.
Sabay ganun.
Gumay pala.
Go, support! Defend our Kwan!
Naka-full support ma'am pala.
Sheryl, thank you. That's very kind of you.
Ganun pala yun.
Where's little Bobo Jella? Where's little Babang? Babang! Ang gawin niya kan Babang.
Dudu.
Foreigner man ini si Kuan. Si JS. Foreigner. Mga foreigner man sila. Pero yan din na Pilipina pa no. Bongbong ini.
Ah, Pilipina yun to?
Oh, tapos may another naman siya na may naging may boss naman siya.
Oh.
Tapos sinabuan na, inano nga ni siya, diri na ako hangkat. Ang parauta naman niya. Inkawatan na sa mga rice cooker, inkawat. Tapos mga
Ay, Pinay pala.
Pinay, Pilipina. Ato, ang Pilipina baga, lukarit baga. Aray, ikaw na nga naghimo sing katarantaduhan. Ikaw pa may ganang magalit. Ikaw pa anong pa niya sa social media.
Nakabot pa yun doon.
Kararaw ay nahayinan. Ikaw na nga ang kadano. Sabi man ni Sir, pwedeen kasi makakuansing kadano na maghapon nagla-live. Tapos wala man nahimuan.
Mareklamo kayo sa
Tapos
sugo.
mareklamo pa. My God, press, it's for good. Cause bash kiki fan. Yeah.
Tapos nareklamo kayo sa sugo. Masugo.
Tapos sabi pa niya, yada na lang doon ang basurahan, di pa iba, tapos saro-saro ay na lang, ang kinauna niya, diri niya mahugasan. Sabi ng God ko, no? Diri ko na mahugasan. Sabi, what the fuck? Sabi ko niya, what the fuck? Anong, sabi kung total, nagreklamo ka, kaya bukasin trabaho, nanhabukasin trabaho, ay gusto mo lang kuan.
Live.
Oo. Diri ka na magtrabaho ngayon. Kaya ninaano niya, makalibre lang. Ang tapos maki-star ka lang tapos sasagang kasing kwarta. Ano yun?
Double ka ma.
Double income. Sabi niya para ba nihimo na trabaho? Nagla-live. Inahimod niya naka-live. Tapos maghapon liwat nagla-live. Tudan live. Sino man sunan maruyag na boss? Tapos din babayadan ka. Tuda man nando.
Gumayan eh. Ang yain.
Boang yarn. My God, KK. We don't like you na. My God, I'm a Filipina but lots of Filipina is hard worker and nice. What happened to you? What happened to you, ha? What happened to you? What happened to you?
Gamit ko pa lang, ang po na talaga yung drum. Kaya di ka tao, tanggal lang mo. Kaso kay mararamang pa na yung tigas.
Sorry, loading your sound is choppy. Sorry. Sounds good now. Sounds good now, sir, for Google. Your sound is choppy. Come on, this coffee. Let's drink coffee. Okay, it's good now. Thank you for.
Yakapin mo ako ng mahigpit. Naman dito, mga shorts ko. Hindi dito na patangkila. Kasire. Parang man dito. Kasire yung malangan nito dito.
What time is it at Charles? Time here 6:14 in the evening. Hi, Mr. Charger. I'm hi from New Zealand. Hi from New Zealand.
Pandesal.
Oh my God.
Inabot nada. Oh, Cardo. Ganyan na ba talaga? Ha? Ay, nabang mo na sabi, tita.
Hired, I'm fine. I'm fine, Mr. Charger. Thank you. How about you?
Bukasan
How's
ko na
your
lang yan kasi.
day? Thank you, Mr. Charger from New Zealand.
Bukasan ko na lang kayo nag-araw pa ako.
Oh my God. Lol, Cheryl is watching. Yeah, I'm watching Kiki. Yeah, I'm watching. Oh my God. I had tea for dinner sometimes too. Wow, for Google's sake. She said the wish is really important. My God. Haha. Harry say. Then shut up. Very cleaner channel. Oh my God. Asking ma. Using Gcash account, PayPal account. Buy me a coffee. That's a really Cheryl, do you visit the stream? I'm watching video pa. I'm watching video someone sent me for Google. Yeah. something like that, no? Because she's talking about our friend Sir Fred, about lies, because she said Sir Fred friends and supporters are a liars and drunkard and something like a scammer, something like that. My God. Even she's a liar. She pointing Sir Fred and Sir Fred friends. Oh my God. Well, yeah. So that's why I don't like this kind of people. I don't like tolerating this kind of people is spreading the lies, misinformation. Thank you, sir, for Gagal. For joining. Keiju Surville, hi. Honey Car, hello. Cesar Gumulfang, hello, Cesar. Not harassing you, not attacking you, but you go, you choose out first one. Oh my God. Pretending the oracle. We're just pretending. So she's calm. May nagtatawag. Oh, may nagtatawag ho. Akin nagtatawag si Bim.
Buwang yun. Bahala naman sa boy.
Oh my God.
Oo,
Oh my
sakat ka
God.
na dun.
Sir Fred. Si Sargami. Well, the internet any can be possible and that is all good. Unfortunately, that's right. That is true. She said, I love the way you lie. My God. She's happy to say that. My God. Number one.
Daming asin. Sige, sila.
Oh my God.
Daddy Mike.
Ay, babang. Yan si Daddy Mike. She's been a scammer the entire time, claiming she helped homeless American in the Philippines. Oh my God. Oh my God. Cheryl, please make video in yes. I don't like imitating this, but I will make a video about this because I don't like people spreading fake and misinformation about. So maybe not only for the surfriends, but for us because we protect the no, we also protect ourselves because yes, surfriend for me he's a good man and why she said is spreading the lies this I'm not tolerating this kind of people so I don't like this kind of people misinformation. She said, look at yourself in the mirror first. She said, look at yourself in the mirror first. She always look at the mirror and she look always herself. That's why she always is calmer. We protect our family, yes. We protect our family. I don't like this kind of, ano. I will post it. I will post it, serpent. I don't tolerate this kind of people. Mike, you know what? Mike happened to his ex and someone, and her, Mike, Mike commented, Mike commented her ex, his ex, and her boyfriend. He said,
Ay, naku, mapilyo.
that's not Mike. That's it's me. Comment. I ignored her because that's not waste time to waste time to reply that kind of people because we know the truth that they are something not good for Mike, and I ignored the time. And Mike ex, she said she's better than me, and that's fine, if she's better than me. And the next said her boyfriend said, I'm commented her girlfriend that's not Mike, and she said it's me, and criticizing that the and then someone poor English. Yes, I'm not good. I'm not speaking good English, but I'm not commented her Mike ex there and Mike's. I told Mike then stop. No, you need to ignore. But Mike, good for her ex and all the time. And of course, if you are doing good and you reply and you if you are doing good, because you know if you are doing good and then at the end if you find and then you blaming and then you doing something bad, of course what you feel, you clapping you, you feel that you get hurt and so cheated, you clapping you and being nice. That's not good. This time that's so kiki about you, about us. I'm not tolerating this because I don't like this kind of people. I hate liars. I know how the real one. And then this said this kind of people said pretending to being nice and being clean. No, we're not pretending. She pretending being nice and clean. We're not. We're not like them. My God, it's really difficult to be happy and that's why that we have to find Cheryl some of these stupid looking sunglasses before she makes a video. I don't like that jails rocker. I don't like fake people. I don't like this kind of one. She has a rocker. Yes, I have lots of sunglasses here. That's why. Thank you, Jess. Watch me, Kwan. Crazy people.
Maano na papa na?
Tapos na?
Yo.
Push na. Ma, push na. Push.
Ako na, kay di mo man kaya. Aluyan na nga ni ang kamot ko.
Kumabiyaw, ini.
Ay, blow mo.
Laman mo. Laman na
We love you,
ini.
Cheryl. Thank you, Sir Jess.
No. Oh, now.
Oh, uwa now? Nakuha na ako? Nakuha ko? Akin na lang?
Ilam.
Masilang. Para pa nga. Hello, Fred. Hello, Fred. Hello. I guess this can happen if you run out of funds and can't make it back to you. Is I guess this can happen if you run out of funds and can't make it back to you as well. You know, gambling can be a cause.
Ma, tako.
It's not because gambling is mainly being stupid and giving their money to the woman Google and then Filipina threw them out. I live for Google, yes. Google, surfed living here in the Philippines.
Pen.
Ito oh. Kumain kanin ha.
Yeah. Lami, 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 lami,
Moda. Paano diri tulos in kakaon, diri in kakaon tulos. Na. Kumain ka kanin. Huwag mo unahin. Mukob-mukob ka na tapos silulawa mo. Lunokon mo yun ha.
We have to find the right girl. Fred, that makes more sense. Fred, that awesome. How long? It's big, yeah. I was dying inside to Wow, mommy.
Go. Ang daman.
Mahuhulog talaga yun. Mahuhulog talaga. Ha? Ube? Ante, darati ka Mayla? Sa kabanda na mahulog ka din.
Hindi kita.
Dan!
Nakasaksak man yan. Nakasaksak man. Para kita Mayla. Oo, si Tita siya. Papa, kanin.
Eh?
Kanin. Magpapa ka kanin. Kamayin mo na ang kanin. Kaya matapon yan. Um,
City love. Ta-ta-ta-ta. Thank you for Kwan. Ano didi ang panghugas?
wala tita, dito na lang para tita.
Ano natin panghugas?
Ay, dada ako sa may banukan po baga sa taas.
Mama, madala ako pa nito. Nagpupugan. Ano niyo?
Ito pa ganun no, sa baduan, tumintong ka dun no. Yan na?
Wala ka ma.
Wala pa man ganyan. Yan ba ganun, di ba dun yan? Ako lang
Kumain ka kanin.
wala yun na.
Magano na ano ha?
Ash,
Sabi ko, kumain ka kanin ha. Kumain ka. Ah.
tulad ako. Para sa paugan.
Mawad.
Mamaya na, di ka pa nga tapos magkain.
Ah. Lele.
Ayan. Ay, baba.
Tete Mike.
Oh, si Daddy Mike. Hinanap ka ni Daddy Mike.
Ha?
Hinanap ka kanina. Daddy Mike, sabi ni Daddy Mike, how's Babang? Been with my Filipinas since 2009 and live here 2010 to 2015, then back to States for 9 years and fully retired here July 4, 2024. Wow, that's great, man. Congrats. You are a fortunate man. Yeah. Yes, I got lucky but saved my money all my life on trucks in USA. Been driving about 37 years. Wow, it's hard to start a life elsewhere and find the right person. That's right. Yeah, money is necessary. It's nearly impossible for foreigners to find work. It's not this the case. I met her on a dating app and she flew up to meet me first, so I knew she was a sana all. Daddy Mike is here with my little babang, Jella. Hi, babang! Si Daddy Mike. Si Daddy Mike. Si hi, Daddy Mike.
Hello, Daddy Mike.
Say it again. Nanan, sabihin mo ulit. Nanan, sabihin ulit si Daddy Mike. Hinanap ka. Nanan, sabihin mo. Si Daddy Mike.
No.
Ha?
Yes, Papa.
Daddy Mike. Hi, yes. Tell her Daddy Fred is here. Si Daddy Fred. Si Uncle Fred. You know Uncle Fred. She don't know Uncle Fred. Tell Daddy Fred is here. Arthur Senente. Hi.
Happy, happy, happy.
Hello, Daddy Mike. Si hi, Daddy Fred. Oy, Daddy Fred daw. Si hi, Daddy Fred.
Hello,
Daddy Fred. Si hi, Daddy Fred.
hello,
Sado pa. Sabihin mo. Hi, Daddy Fred.
hello, Fred.
Hello, Fred. Hello, Fred. No, Daddy. Just Fred. She said, hello, Fred. No, Dad. Hi. Yes. Sige.
Pwede nga, sa ano pa kaya ako, katos pa ako masundo, nag-abono kaya si mama, pwede makahalang 200, babalik lang siya.
Magkano?
200 lang. Kailangan ko lang kasi. Pag sundo ko man sa 14, bayadan ko na ito. Sige, paambaklay ko ito, pa ako sundo.
Sige.
Salamat yan. Nag-aaral mo tanto.
Sige.
Aral mo, yan na. Salamat yan. Nakaraos din ako. Katos pa kaya ako masahod.
Sige lang.
Salamat talaga. Thank you, thank you. Pwede na ako ulit.
She's so adorable, Fred. Thank you. Yeah, that's Daddy Mike. Someone said, "Be right back. Time for eye drops." Okay, no worries. The live, I'm ended the live because I need to go on. Okay, Mike. Bye bye, guys. Thank you for joining. I'm cooking. I'll say bye bye. Bye bye, Daddy Mike. Ano sasabihin mo?
Teacher,
Daddy Mike.
my Daddy Mike.
Nanang sabihin mo?
Yes.
Nano?
Hello, Daddy Mike.
Nano pa?
Hello, Daddy Mike.
Daddy Fred. Awa niya. Bye-bye. Thank you so much for joining. Love you all. Ay, oh my God. The kiss is for my